ILS 25 left into LAX. Localizer frequency is 109.9er, which we've got there. Approach course is 251. 251. Usable landing space is 11,095 feet. Touchdown zone elevation is 104 feet. Airport elevation is 128 feet. We've got DME on board. I don't believe we've got radar. We're going to be expecting simultaneous approaches.
By radar, they mean the ATC radar.
Okay. Missed approach, climb to 2,000 on heading 251 until crossing the Santa Monica radio 160, then left turn heading 236 on the Santa Monica 1905 to Catley and a hold. Oh boy, there's a lot of frequencies. Alright, we've got ATIS information Yankee. Alrighty, we'll be expecting SoCal approach up with these guys. Los Angeles Tower will be on the south side, so 12. Descend to maintain 2,600, 8 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo, 2,600, 2,600.
2,600, 8 Tango Bravo. Alright, we'll be expecting on the south side 12095.
November 308 Golf Victor, SoCal approach, depart City, heading 360, vectors for the ILS runway 25 left approach.
We're getting vectors to final. Our final approach fix is Lima, which is 7.5 DME from the runway. Okay. Well, expect to be at or above 1,900. Our minimums for the ILS 25 left is 304 feet. If we do have to sidestep for 25 right for whatever reason, we'll expect our minimums to be 540.
Tango Bravo, turn left heading 320.
Left turn heading 320, 8 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo, turn left heading 280, join 25 left localizer.
280, join the localizer, 738 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo, descend to maintain 2,000.
Descend to maintain 2,000, 8 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo, traffic at your 9 o'clock, 1 mile, eastbound, altitude indicates 2,300, touchdown down.
Negative contact, 8 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo, 2 miles from Honda, turn left heading 270, maintain 2,000, so south from localizer, cleared ILS runway 25 left approach.
Left turn heading 270, cleared ILS 25 left approach, 8 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo, mid heading 280 to join.
280 to join, 8 Tango Bravo. We'll push as fast as we can till 5 mile final, 8 Tango Bravo.
Victor, reduce speed to 170, then you can maintain 4,000. Go to 170, then down to 4,000. Tango Bravo, verify you're established.
Established, 8 Tango Bravo.
Tango Bravo Tower, 120.95.
120.95, 8 Tango Bravo. Los Angeles Tower, Cessna 738 Tango Bravo is on the ILS 25 left.
Cessna 738 Tango Bravo, LA Tower, intel of Airbus 320, passing right clear on from 25 left, but long.
Clear on 25 left, 8 Tango Bravo.
Alright, before landing checklist. Brake, pedal test.
Good.
Landing light on.
On.
Autopilot off.
Disengage.
Seatbelt on.
Secure.
Mixture
Full rich.
Copied on.
On. Well,
Fuel both.
fuel is on both.
Stop as required.
Okay. Before landing checklist complete.
Cessna 8 Tango Bravo Falcon will depart prior to arrival. Customer ceiling.
8 Tango Bravo.
That's a good yoke length.
Yes, it is.
What are
Bird.
they?
Balloons.
Balloon. I don't know.
And Tower 738 Tango Bravo. We just had balloons pass off our left side at about 1,000 feet.
Alright, Tango Bravo, thank you. Do you remember the color and the direction they're going?
They look to be heading east, northeast, and we don't have a color. There were 4 or 5 of them.
Roger, balloon.
Call fixture. Balloons reported 2 mile final about 1,000 feet eastbound.
Minimums.
Minimum. Continue.
Insight.
25 left on the ground.
LA Tower,
Confirm.
good afternoon. Hawk Radio 6 Mike Charlie, 3600 on the ILS.
Mauricio 6 Mike Charlie, LA Tower, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear land 25 left, and we have a speed restriction of 180 till Lima, and we're going to signature.
6 Mike Charlie, thank you. And there were balloons reported 1,000 feet on a 2 mile final.
Okay, balloons at 1,000 feet on 2 mile final, so Mike Charlie will be looking.
Touch. One of these is not like the others.
Bravo, I see you passed golf there. Hustle down to Alpha 7, please. Left turn at Alpha 7.
Left turn at Alpha 7, and we'll hustle. 8 Tango Bravo.
Alright, Tango Bravo. Actually, meant inspections. Make a right turn as soon as you're able. Right turn onto Hotel, eastbound on Hotel.
Right turn on Hotel, we'll head eastbound on Hotel. 8 Tango Bravo.